Yes guys, welcome back to Maths with Castino, yet with another question 5 from Western Cape. Oh, I should have written Western Cape there, but I know you guys get it. Alright, so people from Egugule too, if you were in Cape Town, this is what you probably wrote. So let's have a look at how you are going to be able to deal with this question. Graph of f of x and then g of x are shown below. We can see them. Right, in the x-intercept is B and D. These are our x-intercept there respectively. The graph of F and G intersect at point A and D. All right, we get it. Accordingly, additionally, point C represent the y-intercept of F, and then point G represent their turning point. Right, great stuff. So now they said 5.1. 5.1, they said write down the coordinates of B and D, which is the x-intercept of the parabola. Right, they said write down the coordinates. So straightforward guys, there's no need for you to beat around the bush. You get x-intercept when f of x, which is y, is equals to 0. So therefore this is what you would therefore have. Okay, 6 there, it's equals to 0. So our x is equals to 4, or x is equals to -6. So -6 will be here, and then 4 will have to be this side. So remember they said the coordinates guys, so you're gonna come here and said, okay, no, B, it's -6 is to 0, therefore D, it's 0, no, it's 4 is to 0. Yeah, clearly show it guys, because if they set coordinates and then you don't show the coordinates, they will not get the marks. Great stuff. Right, 5.2. 5.2, they want us to write down the value of M and C, which is right here on the straight line. Okay, so now let's have a look at what we can do here. Basically, it's like them telling us to write down, okay, to write down the equation of a straight line rather. Okay, now C, if you ever look at here, this is our y-intercept. So C, it's basically 8, right? So now what you can do, you can find M, which is the gradient, using these coordinates here, which is going to be 0 is to 8, and then you also have a coordinate there of 4 is to 0. So you can use those 2 points to find the gradient thereof. Right, you know the formula of the gradient guys from analytical geometry. Let's come here and say, I hope you guys are following. If you're not following, let me know in the comment section below. Sometimes when I do these things, I tend to be really fast, and some learners, they don't follow, but I'm hoping that the pace is quite good for everyone to understand. Right, 8 minus 0 all over here, you're gonna have 0 minus 4. If you don't understand, please pause the video, make sure that you fully understand what we're doing here. Minus 2, so that will be the value of M. So we got C there, and then we've got M here, which is minus 2. So moving right along to 5.3. 5.3 says here, determine the value of A prime, which is the reflection of this point A in the line Z. So this line guys, it will help you to know that this line lies right here. So now if they're seeing a reflection of that, it seems it's going to be somewhere there. Okay, so now it means now we don't have the coordinates of A. We must find the coordinates of A first before we can say the reflection of A, it's so and so. So where do you find this? They've already told us that point A is the point of intersection where the two graphs intersect. So now we're going to have F, we're going to have F of X intersecting with G of X. Okay, we have got the function there, F of X minus 4, X plus 6. And therefore, we've got G here. We know what is the value of M. We did calculate it. It was minus 2x. Then the value of C, it was 8. So now with this, now let's remove the bracket, and then we solve for x. Okay, remove the bracket, x squared and then this and this will give us positive 2x. Double check my math, guys. Negative 24. Then we take this to the side. It's going to give us positive 2 minus 8 is equals to 0. All right, then when we simplify this, we're going to have x squared, then 2x plus 2x for x, then negative what? Negative 32 is equals to 0. Therefore, we do the double bracket. We're going to have x there, we're going to have x there equal to 0. Excuse me, then my factors here is going to be 8 and 4. I don't know what you guys are getting. If you're getting anything else, please let me know. Negative 8 or x is equals to 4. Great. Now, which is which now? Negative 8 will be the value, the x coordinate there. So we need the y coordinates because we're dealing with the coordinates. So I'm just going to use the graph that we used there. If guys you are scared of using this one because it's the one that you've calculated, you can more than welcome to use the parabola as well, because point A also lies on the parabola as well. Great. So 8 there, then our y value would therefore have to be 24. So now here we go. A coordinates of A will be negative 8 is to 24. Now they want us to find this one here along there. So what happens, remember guys, this is not along the y or the x axis. So the first thing first, x and y they swap, right? X and y they swap. So there's the swap, and then that's it. And those are your new coordinates of the mirror image thereof, right? So 5.4, determine the value of k for which g of x is equals to k will be a tangent. So now 5.4, so they want us to calculate the value of k for which g of x will be a tangent. Okay, all right. Okay, here we go. Oh, they said g of x there will be a tangent. Okay, interesting. Okay, let me see. But however, g of x is a straight line. How can you have a... Oh, okay, this is a bit tricky for me. Okay, let's see. Okay, g of x is equal to k. Number minus 2x plus 8 is equal to k. Okay, then you're going to bring k to this side here. All right, so you're going to have minus 2x plus 8 plus, oh no, minus k. Not too sure about this one because I know a tangent is supposed to touch at one point. Maybe the examiner here, they wanted to say f of x. I'm not sure. But the guys from Western Cape, please let us know what if this was a corrected to f of x or not. Because, but anyway, I'm just going to work with what the question said. It says g, so I'm going to use g. All right. So now, where do we go now? We found it when the discriminant is equals to 0. So this is what we can do. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. It's equals to 0 there. Okay, what is our b there? Our b is what? It's negative 2 all squared minus 4 a. You see now, this is my problem here. You see now, a, we don't have a x squared, and our a is supposed to be next to x squared. So this is where my problem is with this one. That's why I said maybe it's supposed to be f of x. But anyway, for the sake of the calculation, I'm just going to assume that is 1. So this to me seems totally wrong. Help me check, guys, if this was corrected. Right, for now, it's going to be 4 is equals to... there you go. Just going to be 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is gonna be 32. Then 4 is gonna be positive 4k is equal to 0, then 32, and that is going to be negative 28 plus 4k is equal to 0. Then take that one to the other side. 4k is equals to 28 divided by 4. Divided by 4k, it's equals to how much? All right, 28 divided by 4k is equals to 7. Right, so that's that, guys, and I hope that 5.4 finds you well. If not, please let me know on the comment section below. Thank you very much, guys. I am Gastin Mapala. Let me see you on the next one. Now let me know which questions would you like us to do according to the province for each prelim exam. See you on the next one.